How does it work? Whatever. Okay, here I'm again. Firstly, why router? Because my electrical outlet's remote controller works at least through local area network, but idea is through the internet. Secondly and thirdly, I use Raspberry Pi and relay modules, Pi as a server side of the project and microcontroller, relays as electromechanical switches that switch single-phase electric power by signal sent from the Pi. At the end, for demonstration, I connected alarm and two LED light bulbs on 3 different relays. To set up the Pi and to be able to see what's happening on the server, here's the procedure, what to do. After starting server on the Pi, only what is left is to run application and test its functionalities.